Are we ready to go? Go. What are you going to say?
What is this?
Oh, a perfect little tea set. What would you like? What would you like to say to Grandma?
But not in that little.
Do you want me to help you?
No, thank you. Yes, please.
Baby's got one too. Would you like to open the baby's too?
Yeah.
That's a good little tea set, isn't it?
Thank you, Jessica.
Did you say thank you, Mika?
Yes. What is this? What is it?
Oh, wow. It's a
What do you say
beautiful
to
doll.
Jessica?
It's a Barbie.
That's what you're trying to say.
Wow.
Use it.
Maybe we can put some tea, some pretend tea in there that's for breakfast. Would you like to do that?
Can't keep that because you can put the pipes in. Do you know what they're for? No. They're for putting your tea on.
With little sauces.
Your rosy. Your rosy tea.
Wow. Very nice.
Thank you, Grandma, for buying me this beautiful birthday present.
Dad, do you have a present? Mom, do you have a present?
No,
Chloe
Chloe's...
and I are going shopping today. Just a girls' day out.
We better sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Chloe. Happy birthday to Chloe. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 5 years old. That's me.